because it's a winter, you will need to have it. Look at that beautiful color. So yummy. Hello my ladies, welcome back again to my channel. How have you been? Have you been taking care of yourself? In today's video, I bring to you a cozy recipe. It's a pumpkin soup recipe, but actually it's not a pumpkin. It's a lot of vegetables all together and it comes out so creamy, cozy and lovely. You are going to love it. So join me in the kitchen today and let me share with you this cozy recipe with you. If you don't have pumpkin, because I've been wanting to have pumpkin soup for like over a week now and I've not been able to get it from the market because it's not yet available in the market now. So what I come out with is these different vegetables together with the help of sesame seed to make it creamy and yummy. So come on and let's make it all together. So I have my ingredients here. Good night. See you. Boiling, we are almost there. I'm adding some thyme and also I'm adding some curry a bit of turmeric, yes, and black pepper. You can add salt, it's optional. Color. Yep. So hey my ladies, here we go. We are done. So I'm gonna wait for it to cool off. Let us blend. Okay. I added more water. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. And these guys together. So here we go. Can you see that? Look at that creaminess. Can you see it? So I'm gonna pour it here. And cabosa. I'm adding 2, not fully 2. You can see, like something like half of it. Can you tell me that this is not a pumpkin soup? Look at that vibrant color. Look at the vibrant color. Because it's a winter, we need to have this. Look at that beautiful color. Mm, so yummy. You don't have to be like, oh my god, I'm eating too much. This is a lot for me to have because these are vegetables. And Sesame seed, it's a healthy part. But by the way, I can't finish all this. Hopefully, you guys will enjoy the recipe. So yummy. I've been having it. This is my second time having it. And I'm like, why not sharing it with you? Because it's winter already and you will like to have something so hot, creamy, cozy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay. Mm. Let me put it in something because mm. And also, what do you guys think about my clay pots? What do you think?